Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making donuts. If you are interested, let's get started. So the first thing I do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour already sieved. I'm going to be using 2 cups, while the other half I'm going to sprinkle it on my work surface when kneading the dough. Extra virgin olive oil, whole milk, 2 eggs, active dry yeast, 4 tablespoons of sugar, salt, and 1 tablespoon of butter. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I'll break my eggs inside a mixing bowl. I'll whisk the eggs. After that, I'll pour in the lukewarm milk. I'll pour in the melted butter. I'll mix it together. I will add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can put more if you want your donuts to be very sweet. I'll mix it together. I'll add my flour gradually. Then mix it. I'll add another one. I'll mix it again. I'll use my spoon to take the dough out. I will add the last flour. Now I'll use my hand to mix it. After that, I'll sprinkle some flour on my work surface. Then place the dough on the work surface and knead it until it's no longer sticky. I'll put the dough inside a grease bowl, then toss it around so that the dough will not form a crust. I'll cover the dough with a plastic film and leave it to rise for 40 minutes in a warm place until the dough is doubled in size. It's up to 40 minutes now. As you can see, the dough has risen. Now I'm going to transfer it to my work surface. My work surface is already clean. I will sprinkle some flour on my work surface, then put the dough. I will sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and also use some flour to rub my rolling pin. Then roll it out into 1 centimeter thick. After rolling it, this is how it looks. I'm going to be using my cup and a Coke cover to cut out the donut circle and the hole. You can use a donut cutter or any circular object in the house to cut out the donut circle and the hole. After cutting the donut, I'll transfer it to a flour tray and cover it with a towel for 20 minutes. This is going to give the donut more volume. So guys, it's up to 20 minutes now. As you can see, the donut has increased in size. So the next step now is to fry the donut. As you can see, I've heated my oil already. My oil is not that hot. Now I'm going to put a smaller donut to test if the oil is hot enough. I like to fry 4 donuts at a time. Please remember to put your gas on a medium heat. Donut does not need high heat when frying it. Once both sides are golden brown, take it out of the oil and place it on a plate or sieve that has a paper towel on it. So guys, this is how my donut looks after frying it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.